What's up, everybody? Drew, aka Catching Rockets here. I hope you all had a good day today. I did not end up trading live. I actually didn't trade. I woke up like 2.5 hours after, or no, 3 hours after the market opened. Didn't do any trading. Reason being, I got in short. I don't remember exactly. Somewhere right around here, and closed at 40. So like 14 points, and I'm happy. Really quickly, I don't have any option trades for today. I didn't have time to look. I need to get on that. Sorry. Want to show you guys the account. It was doing pretty crap. The beginning of 2026. I have recovered that. Not a huge recovery. Well, I mean, it kind of is, but only up like 2.3% on the month. But yesterday, 3 winning trades, 1 losing trade. And to be clear, like, I don't normally trade this much, and this was not like FOMO or, trying to force things. I took a losing trade. I took a second trade that was like a small win. And then I took a really good like A++ setup that was like a bigger win. And then stopped trading. That was during live trading with like everybody, right? And then last night saw a good setup for short. And as far as I'm concerned, that's a completely different trading session. For me, that's part of today. But anyway, I took a trade in the overnight session and just turned off my computer and walked away and let it play out, and caught those 14 points. So good stuff. Let's hop into the charts. I feel like today was a little bit harder to trade. Let me turn this off really quick. It was pretty choppy. I know we were looking for come up, tap this, and then sell off. The only thing I missed was I said to close at December value area high, and they bounced at previous week POC. But if you caught this, you should be all right. Other than that, I mean, if you happen to get in long on these single prints or get in calls on these single prints, cool, like you did good. But then the rest of the day was pretty choppy. It would have been pretty hard for options traders. Let me just delete this stuff. Need to delete this. I also need to be pretty quick tonight. I have work, and I'm starting a little bit late. But we can crank through this. I am not feeling great, too. I don't want to call in sick, though, because there's they would be short-staffed. All right, daily levels. We haven't been able to draw SIGs. I guess we could have yesterday, but not today. Let's look at our big picture. Volume was decent, but as you can see, as we're approaching 695, volume's decreasing, except for on this red day. We had increased volume. But other than that, our green days, volumes are decreasing. Very indecisive candle. Looks like a spinning top. Bullish indecision. Let's check our fear and greed. It's probably still neutral. We should be in neutral somewhere, I would assume. Yeah. Look at our calendar. I can't believe tomorrow's already Friday. So quite a bit going on before an hour before the market open. We have unemployment change in Canada. Sorry, employment change, unemployment rate in Canada. Our average hourly earnings month over month in the U.S. Non-farm employment change in the U.S. Unemployment rate in the U.S. And then 30 minutes after the open, consumer sentiment and inflation expectations. This could dump the market. We're in scary territory. So, last 3 days they grinded higher. Then we sold off, and today is flat. We're in a very tricky area as far as trading is concerned. It is not fun. Let's see what futures are doing really quick. Where is... Okay, so we've sold off from the close. Let me pull up my other charts really quick. Thank you, Nora. We've got single prints at the top. I think I have to call this single prints as well. So that doesn't help us. How is this a poor high? Poor low? You guys got to call me out on my bullshit, really. Like, alrighty. This is from last night, right? Well, we had this high volume node here, high volume node here. This is what we were watching during the live session. We hopped in here. This was our next target below if they lost this, and we bounced there, right? And then Shorty got in short here. For me, I was like, I'm not really interested in taking, 10 point. I mean, I wasn't on at the time when this happened, but I thought it was less. I thought it was like 6 points, but whatever. I would have absolutely taken 10 points if I was on and saw this. But once we lost this high volume node here, I was like, oh, this is going to be support turn resistance. And so I hopped in short here and closed at 40, right? And then we see it came back up and still rejected from there quite a few times, right? Yeah. Now we need this chart to give us some help because there is not much of anything. Well, there's our help, but it's already been used. This right here, large orders, broke above, buyers, boom, fly. Oh, and then there's another one, but it's also already been used. This is not going to help us. This is overnight session. Large orders, buyers, bounce, right? And unfortunately, we've missed this. I would have taken this on futures if I was a few minutes earlier. Let's look at our other chart, see if we have any imbalances. I don't think we do, but that would be helpful. Nothing. There's here. 58, they create an imbalance. That's crazy. Oh, 57. 58 to 56. That could come into play tomorrow. Let's see, what else do we have? All right, only on 5 minutes. Let me close this. Digital Diver. Are you in Shorty's Discord? I'm pretty sure you're the same Digital Diver that's in Shorty's Discord, but I don't know. And pretty sure you're the same Digital Diver that's in Keenan's and Shorty's. Lifetime member on Shorty's, but I need to know that information because then I can give you an answer. Okay, perfect. So you want to go to Shorty's Discord. Go under announcements, and right here, class part 3 on order flow. If you miss part 1 or 2, watch those first. So you would click this link, which would take you to part 1. And then click well, somewhere in this mess is part 2. Oh yeah, so here's part 1 and part 2. Oh, I guess clicking this link will take you to part 1 and 2. And part 3 is down here. And technically part 1, 2, and 3 is all that you need. And that is on Quant Hour. People will try to use TradingView for it, but TradingView doesn't have the correct order flow. So, hey, what's up, Triple G? I didn't even see you. Hey, Corey. Everybody needs to wish Triple G a happy birthday. It was his, I'm not even sure, birthday yesterday. I feel like Triple G is trolling me. They. told me they're a guy, but I'm pretty sure it's a woman, but I could be wrong. I don't know. Anyway, TradingView does not have the correct, what's it called? Like the order for, or the order flow that would be required to show the footprint charts. And so they're basically the order flow that you need is extremely expensive, so not a lot of providers have it. I mean, like really, really expensive. And you cannot use it on TradingView. Just don't even waste your time. You're going to need... oh, hey, what's up, Mike? Sorry. I mean, you don't have to use Quantower. It's $35 a month. But if you can use Quantower, meaning you have a Windows-based computer, then like, why would you not want to trade using Quantower? It's like the best thing possible. But you can also do it on you're hilarious, Triple G. You can still do it on Ninja Trader. There's a few other ones. Jigsaw Charts. I'm not going to remember all of them, but I like Quantower. We need to transfer this level over to SPY. 1220 candle. I just realized, I think on mine I put HVN. Mm-hmm. All right. Be aware of this tomorrow. It's right at previous day value area low. This is going to be a launch pad if they give it to us. So I still feel like I need to put a circle around this, because they could come down to previous day value area low, but there's a chance they bounce just right at the top and go. So I would not wait for previous day value area low. They can also use this as support turn resistance. So if we break below for whatever reason, or open below, we can watch for puts off of the bottom side. Close here. Alrighty. Nora's doing workout videos. I haven't tuned into a Nora video in a while. I get a little bit embarrassed every time I join one of Nora's lives because she starts promoting me to everybody and pumping me up as this amazing trader. And I feel like I become the center of attention, and that's not ever what I'm trying to do. But that could just be me in my head. But anytime I see her on, I try to join. I just haven't seen her live in a while. All right, so if you guys have any questions, now's the time to ask. I'm going to post a screenshot, and then I'm going to go hop in the shower and get ready for work. Oh, I should say, Digital Diver, you should be focused on volume profile for at least 2 or 3 months before you move on to the cluster charts. All right. Oh, I have something funny to show you guys. I almost forgot. At least I think it's funny. Well, kind of not funny, because if people are listening and following this person, it's kind of scary. But look at this hot mess. How to turn $100 into $5,000 with 0 losses every time. Average win, average loss. Average win, $485. Average loss, negative $1,956. In his defense, this is a funded account, and he's up $65,000. He does show other charts in this video where he's got what's it called? No, Nora, you do you. Like, I'm not. I get it when I join. Like, you're promoting me. You're promoting my YouTube, and I appreciate that. And then obviously the goal is to educate people and, like, to get people investing, in their retirement, investing in their future. So I think that's all a good thing. You do you. Yeah, ka-ching. But, yeah, I guess I always feel a little bit, I don't know what the word is, but, like, yeah. That's funny, Nora. No, you keep doing you. I'm not telling you how to do your channel. I'm just saying when I join, I feel like the attention shifts to me, and that's not what I'm trying to do. Anyway, this is insane. This is not sustainable. This is 100% gambling. I guess cool for him that it worked out and he made $65,000, but this is not sustainable. Like, scary. And then in his defense, he showed an account. I think it only had 6 wins total, but it was 100% win rate. So it's like, I messed up though. I mean, I'll just show you guys. It's kind of hard to see. So this says trade direction. So this is 1 short trade and 5 long trades, meaning that he took one put basically in 5 calls. So I thought this was a loss, but it's not. It's just really hard to see this. Even when I zoom in, like I don't know, it's all blurry. So yeah, 100% win rate on 6 trades. Like, okay, cool. What are you proving? I do that shit all the time. But like promoting 100% win rate and saying that it's every time 0 losses is such a bunch of BS. And then to contradict yourself and show a trade log that has like really big losses compared to your wins is pretty wild. Like, I don't know. It just scares me. I'm sure you guys understand. Like, oh, he's just a scammer, Mike, and I like to call him out whenever I can. Yeah, he scammed a bunch of people, Triple G. Like, one girl, he actually, like, I'm sure it's more than one person, but, like, he charged her money to trade her account for her and then lost her entire balance, basically. It's not allegedly. He 100% scammed people. So, I called him out before it was, like, blatantly obvious that he was scamming people. But, like, nobody really paid attention. And then it got to a point where I straight up had to DM Keenan, and I'm like, dude, like, this guy is a crown trader in your Discord, and, like, he's doing this stuff. Like, you need to do something. You need to step in. Because, like, people were, like, basically, like, going on a witch hunt for him. And so, yeah, it's not good. But he's still going, you know. But yeah, he literally like traded this girl's account and lost all of her money, which is really sad. I mean, it's not a lot. It was like a couple $1,000s. But it's just really sad that like he charged her to trade for her and then lost all of her money. So it's like, yeah, he just needed that one lucky trade and he would have made it all back. Anyway, I thought that was interesting and funny. And anybody here that's actually like decent at trading knows like your wins need to be bigger than your losses, and you need to focus on, you know, just being consistent with taking bigger wins than losses, because you are going to take losses. It's inevitable. There's no way. There's never like there's no crystal ball where you're going to be right every single time. It just doesn't exist. The best traders in the world, you know, have like a 70, 80% win rate. It's not 100. You're going to take losses. And so promoting that, you know, for like a new trader, they'll believe it. They'll think it's possible and they'll follow you, and they'll lose their shorts. And that shit scares me. So anytime I have a chance to educate and call it out, I will. I saw that video and I was like, okay, what BS is he going to feed us here? And we saw the BS. And then the account that he made 65,000, he said that was his account for, what's it called? For, like trial and error, trying out new strategies. And that's why it had losses. Shut the fuck up. All right. Anyway, as always, I got to go hop in the shower and get ready. Yeah, ICT is nuts. Yeah, no, I mean, giving somebody access to your account is insane. Like, even if you give your account to somebody that's really good, like, let's say Shorty, it's completely illegal. Like, if the SEC finds out, you're fucked. Like, that is not... you can give access to your account to somebody that's like an actual, what's it called? Like a certified analyst. They're allowed to trade for people. But your random everyday person is legally not allowed to trade for somebody else. All right, everybody. As always, much love, much respect. Y'all have a good evening. Peace out. There's a chance I'll be live like an hour after the market open, depending on how I feel when I get home in the morning. Right now I'm feeling a little bit sick, so I don't think that I will be, but just in case, it might happen, but no promises. Y'all have a good one. Take care, and we will see you next time. Bye.